How to get unbanned on Wizz app. So you're gonna have to keep in mind that there is no guaranteed way to instantly restore a banned account, especially if it was suspended for serious rule violations. So first thing you're gonna do is to understand why you were banned in the first place, since Wizz bans accounts for breaking community rules such as harassment, inappropriate content, spam, or other prohibited behavior. So they may restrict temporarily or permanently based on how you sever the violation. But if you are sure you didn't do any sort of violation, then you can go ahead and appeal to the Wizz support. You can do this by going ahead to your preferred browser and searching for Wizz support, or just the Wizz website itself. So go ahead here in the top right and go to the contact us section. Here you're gonna have to put in your details like the name of your account, your email address. You're gonna have to select who you are and put in your appeal message. So if the direct option of sending them a message from your ban isn't available, you can go ahead and send this email to Wizz support. So you're gonna have to explain why you think the ban is unfair. So only you know your own situation. It should show why you were banned in the first place, but just go ahead and directly write respectfully and clearly why you think your ban was a mistake. So put in the message over here. Then just go ahead and check these two over here, then just wait for the temporary ban to expire. There's a few workarounds like creating a new account, but you're gonna note that repeatedly making new accounts can itself violate rules still and potentially lead to more bans anyway. But hopefully these options can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and